the middle back.
Yeah.
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 Not bad though. Yeah.
Not bad?
Yeah, not bad at all.
It's been worse, right?
Yeah. For sure, you're good. That's what you have there.
Max? Ooh.
Nice.
It's been a while.
It's only been 3 months, 4 months.
It's way louder than they used to.
That means it's more stuck.
I know. Got more earwax, is what it's called. Waxing. There we go, it's good.
That was easier.
Damn.
He's louder after 3 months, doesn't
Oh
he?
my gosh.
Okay.
I never heard it that loud.
He just got taller again.
That was a good one.
Look at that.
Oh. I'll tell him mine now.
He needs a goal right now. He's going straight to the court.
Are we close now? A little bit. Yeah, he's playing in Lebanon, I think. Well,
Oh yeah. Basketball gets paid overseas.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's
Like,
pretty
wow.
good, yeah.
When you say 350, Clint thinks 350 million. He doesn't
Oh,
think
no.
350,000.
But,
Right?
No, that's
Nobody say
pretty
350,
good.
like 350 million? Or 350,000? And then I'm like $350?
improvise and sympathize.
Improvise and sympathize.
Raise this leg up as high as you can. Okay, now the other side. The right's a little easier.
Yeah.
So on this one. All right, whatever you do, try not to sneeze. I'm just playing.
Does it hurt, Clint?
No.
You say it feels kind of good. Wait to cover back.
All right, try the left side up again. A little better.
Yeah.
A little more at an angle. All right, try again.
There we go.
Nice.
And right side. Pretty close.
One more on the top.
I actually need a bigger hammer for him. Otherwise I have to swing it. Left side up again. There it is.
There he goes.
Wasn't that bad? Who said it was bad?
He's all scared. You scared yourself?
Everybody gets scared before.
At first he said it's for the sparring. He's like, oh hell no.
Sit on your spine.
That was loud as shit.
He did this one here. He put this little one.
Make you jump.
I'll spit acapella. I might even go outside, drop 15s like the boy Clint Capela. Oh, man, I need that Rolls. Man, I told you, you got to improvise and sympathize all the way to the inside. Man, I need to really go get that Rolls Royce outside. Yeah, that's that boy Clint. I told you. Hey, there it is. In the building, man.